Two men succumbed to injuries and three others injured in Rum Lane gun attack in central Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Sh0t TV News Report. 5 persons were shot, 2 fatally, by a gunman along Rum Lane in the now crime-plunged central Kingston area on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 25-year-old Ian Reid and 28-year-old Sh0t Watson. Preliminary reports are that about 1:40 p.m., persons were seated on a section of Rum Lane when a car drove up and gunman exited the vehicle and opened fire, hitting 5 persons. The hoodlums then fled the scene in the waiting motor car. The wounded persons were rushed to hospital where Reid and Watson were pronounced dead. A probe is ongoing into the latest killing throughout the central Kingston community. There have been multiple calls from a number of political representatives in the constituency, including People's National Party caretaker Amani Duncan Price, for a zone of special operation to be established in the volatile community. The police will continue to maintain a strong presence in the area. This has been Sh0t TV News Report. Thanks for watching.